gone for a bit of a while, but I am back with more DIYs, more reworked, more handmade things, and a little bit of styling. So if that sounds your kind of vibe, then defos subscribe, because I'm getting back into it and I will be doing regular videos. So to start off today, I have done my interpretation of Van Gogh's Starry Night on an item of clothing, because I'm a fashion gal. I wouldn't say I'm an artist, I would say I'm more so a fashion designer. So I'm gonna show you what I've been up to. So this is the pair of shorts. These have been bought from a charity shop. I think they're a cheap high street brand. I didn't realise, but I found out after I bought them, and they're great. They're actually some of the best fitting black shorts I've ever owned, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of how it looks when I painted it, and then we're going to go straight to the process of painting it. So at the back, as you can see, I did the little pocket detailing, and it is pretty cool, I think, if I do say so myself. I love that it's just one pocket. I love the contrast of the blue against the black denim, and I'm very happy with that. So let's get going and watch the process. By the way, I just want to make a note and say that I have no tripod because I'm abroad. And I stupidly didn't bring one of my like 4 tripods, so please, I'm so sorry. Please excuse the angle that I'm filming from. Anyway, let's get going. Okay, so I started by getting some masking tape and kind of really just placing it under the groove, under the pocket, and then I did a base of white fabric paint. I left it to dry and waited till the next day, and then I got a black pen and sketched out my design. I felt like the black pen just worked better than the pencil. And so as you can see, I'm sketching it out, and it's not fully proportionate to the exact painting, but that's what art and creativity is about, I guess. It's not about being perfect, it's about interpreting something and making it your own. So once I was finished with the pen, I decided to start with the blue tone. So I got my blue fabric paint, and I'm going to add a link to what fabric paint I use, because it's like the best in my opinion. And I just kind of really wanted to block out the background with colour, as that makes it so much easier to add all the details on top of. Then I started adding the yellow once I got most of the blue down, because I noticed a lot of this painting, the yellow and the blue is kind of mixed together, so I didn't want them to be too separate. Then I started doing the dark shades. I decided to do black because I love black, although the tree actually is, it has brownie tones and things, but I just made black as the base, and then I ended up adding on top of that. As you can see, on the Starry Night Van Gogh painting, actually, I might actually just show you a quick shot of how the original looks like. He does a lot of short strokes, so I tried to emulate that. Obviously it's not as accurate as I'd like it to be, but it still looks pretty cool in my opinion. So I just keep painting and painting and building, and the bottom of the painting had so much detail that I decided to not add that much detail, because that's way too much and it was not necessary. The painting looked just fine as it is without all the extra details. So I just keep building and building up the paint. And then that's when I added greeny and reddy and browny tones to the tree on top of the black. It was really, really effective, and you'll see how effective that looked when I'll show you the final product. And then just pops of red. The red was much lighter in the original painting, but I really liked the darker kind of maroony red.
Oh, we can take this world by storm.
Okay, so once you are happy with the design, all you gotta do is wait for it to dry and then peel off that tape. And that is the final result. I was pretty happy with it. This was really great, and I love the contrast of the painting with the denim, and the masking tape just made it so neat. And yeah.
And lay The stars above serve as your remedy. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, you'll be my safety. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, escape reality.
If you liked the video, I kind of showed you just a brief look at the shorts. I would actually style them with black kind of opaque tights, my high top Converse, my black high top Converse, and a shaggy kind of creamy fleecy jumper. I actually think I'm going to post some pictures of how I'd style it on to my Instagram. I've got a new Instagram, completely starting fresh, so I will put the link somewhere. And if you like this, please do subscribe, click on the notification thingy, because I am going to be doing so many DIYs, some Christmas ideas, upcycling, sustainability, etc, etc. Anyway, I hope you have a lovely day, night, weekend, week, whatever it is. Goodbye!